You are looking live from downtown Cleveland now. On a day we have had rain and strong winds. Much of our viewing area is still under a high wind warning. So let's get right to meteorologist Jason Michael. And Jason, quite a few power outages out there tonight.
Yes, that's right, Lena. We had wind gusts approaching 55 miles per hour. This was just before 2 p.m. this afternoon. So the howling winds that you've been hearing outside your door is going to be looming at least over the next several hours here. Let me step out of the way where you see where the highest temperatures have been today. 64 degrees, my friend. We have to go back to mid-October where that's the average high temperature. We hit 64 degrees earlier on in the day between 1 and 3 p.m. because of the southerly winds that we had move through the area, as well as the humidity levels have been skyrocketing throughout the day as well. We're down to about 38 degrees right now. This has been today's lowest temperature, and we're likely to slip even further throughout the evening hours. Let's take you to satellite and radar and show you what's happening on satellite and radar right now. The radar beam is likely starting to pick up on a little bit of snow back over towards Erie County right now. You can see out of the lake still transposing some light rain at this hour, and it is likely that we're going to have this little bit of mixing happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere through the rest of this evening. Most of us will be remaining dry throughout the rest of the evening because high pressure is moving back in, and you know what that translates to: lots of sunshine. But first, we have to talk about the high wind warnings that are in effect. Wind advisory extending through tonight at midnight and likely going to contend with through tomorrow morning as well. We get rid of the wind advisory, but we stick with the high winds. Sustained and wind gusts right now anywhere from maybe 20 up to about 30 miles per hour coming right on in out of the lake. You can see right now currently at about 40 miles per hour here in downtown Cleveland. So our temperatures continue to slip this evening, going down to the freezing mark, waking up for tomorrow morning. Lena, it is not going to be a Sunday mirroring Saturday because of the change in temperatures as well as wind direction. But we'll talk about that in the 7-day outlook coming up in a little bit.
All right, we'll see you again in a bit. Thanks, Jason. This is a look over at Tremont tonight. You can see how windy it is with the trees swaying side to side. Plus, even signs are being whipped back and forth with those strong gusts.